Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and amazing artistic video of a bathroom, which is grunge bathrooms, as you can see on your screens. So watch the video to learn for these wonderful ideas of bathroom and enjoy the video. Welcome back to my channel, viewers. House of Fashion. Hope you all are fit and fine, and Allah Almighty bless you always like this with the prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen the wonderful ideas of bathrooms, which is grunge bathrooms, amazing, different and very wonderful with the fairy magical styles. Amazing ones for the ones who loved grunge and magics, fairies in their rooms, bathrooms. So make your bathroom with the grunge and fairy type, magical type. So watch the video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you like one of the idea from these wonderful bathroom ideas, then write in the comment section, and also support us on daily basis by sharing my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Viewers must visit the House of Fashion channel for more interesting and upgraded ideas according to the interiors. And if you have a demand to watch any idea, anything, so write in the comment section. Inshallah, also Decor Life try to give you ideas the best as soon as possible. Viewers, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel, The Decor Life. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon also. Now stay tuned with us for more interiors ideas, and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. We will be right back with the new ideas. Take care.